Hello, keto bonitos and fabulous fasting friends. I'd like to make a special announcement about this week's live stream. Welcome to the Liz and Skatz channel. Hi, Skatz here. The nights are drawing in. Ooh, the clocks have gone back an hour. Halloween is nearly upon us. So I would like to announce a new time for our regular live stream on Wednesdays and tell you what you can learn from this week's seasonal special. First of all, there's something you should do. Help us to help you by doing this.
Subscribe, and click on the bell.
My friends, this Wednesday, the 28th of October 2020, we have a seasonal special live stream, and it will be starting at the new time of 7 p.m. GMT. Yes, the summertime is over. We're in Greenwich Mean Time now, and the darker nights are upon us. So we thought it would be a good idea to start a little earlier. And also, one of our favourite UK TV shows, Bake Off, starts at 8, and we like to snuggle down and watch people baking all of the things that we can't eat anymore because we have a deep sense of irony. Or maybe we're masochists. I don't know. Anyway, 7 o'clock in the evening it is from now on. That's the new time if you're in Ireland or the UK. If you're in America on Central Time, that will be 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And if you're in California, you can watch us live at midday. Isn't that nice? Midday, that's 12, right in the middle of the day. Now, we normally have a few topics we talk about each week, but this week is a seasonal special. Because round about this time every year, as the days grow shorter, I and many other people start to feel the effects of the seasons, and we start having symptoms of seasonal affective disorder. I know that a lot of our subscribers and friends feel the effect too. Some of you only have mild symptoms, some a lot worse, and I suspect that there are many, many, many more whose sleep patterns and moods are affected by the lack of daylight, but don't even realise it. So, we're going to be talking about what seasonal affective disorder is, why it happens, how it affects our mental health and our well-being, and how we can adjust our keto and fasting lifestyle, the foods we eat, and our physical activity to reduce the effects of this winter blues and feel better and healthier for a change. This will be my first winter on keto and fasting, so this is a big experiment for me, and I hope that you'll subscribe and click on the bell so that you can follow me and Liz as we try to beat seasonal affective disorder and also guard against the illness hazards that the winter brings to all of us, so we can all get more healthy together. So join us at 7 on Wednesday. Until then, have a look at these two videos. Peace and love, and we'll see you soon.
Bye for now.